In a very short lifespan, CIIE has turned out to be the most important exhibition in China for Danish food companies. It's the third year that we are organizing a pavilion at CIIE. And I think the first year we maybe had 10 companies on the food pavilion, and now it's more than double. So the interest is huge, and in Denmark we are very proud of our food companies, and a lot of them are out there in China already, and a lot of them are at CIIE either by themselves or at the Danish pavilion. Then in China, I'm sure the product that you probably know the best are the Danish butter cookies, and we have 3 companies there representing Danish butter cookies. And I'm sure that if you come by, then you can taste all of these things at CIIE.
We expect that also in the future that the Chinese market will grow faster than our traditional markets, Germany, Sweden, UK, other parts of the world. So income levels is growing faster in China. So we expect that the middle class will increase their demand for quality products like a lot of those we produce in Denmark. That's food products.